Happy Monday, everyone. Today we're going to look at the Reconcile oil from aromaG. A lot of people use this oil to try to repair a relationship that's gone bad, to bring someone back. It's used as, it's also known as reconciliation, but it's used to repair the hurt feelings or situation that keeps not only lovers but friends apart. Most of the oil is used in conjunction with a ritual candle or a mojo bag or other types of reconciliation magic. It's really more effective if the parting has happened less than 6 months ago. After that period of time, people have a tendency to move on with their lives, and it makes your magical efforts less effective. But nothing is impossible. This reconcile is, you can also use it to reconcile with business relationships that have gone bad, any sort of disagreement that brought two people, caused them to part ways and they need to come back together, maybe an old feud with a family or something. But most people do use this for love work to bring back a lover who has left. You can find this on our website at aromags.com or aromagsbotanica.com.